What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to go over HBAR, which is up 7.1% at 29 cents. This thing has been on an absolute run towards the end of 2024. Pretty curious to see how it's going to perform in 2025. $11 billion market cap, guys. 38 billion coins in circulation out of 50. All-time high last bull run was 56 cents. We're already at 29 cents. I think HBAR is easily going to smash through its all-time high and go much, much higher. And we're going to do a general price prediction to see what the possible highs are of this bull run. All-time low was 5 years ago. Everybody knows HBAR. HBAR is available pretty much on every single exchange. You have 10 different pages of exchanges down here. So if you want it, you can find it. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on HBAR. All right, everybody, let's get into HBAR right here. So HBAR, what a run towards the end of 2024, starting at the beginning of November, guys. Absolutely insane. That was a 8, almost 9x gain after this pretty much multi-year consolidation phase for HBAR, guys. I mean, you could have bought HBAR right here, May of 2022 and held, and you'd be break even November 2024. That's 2 years of consolidation for HBAR. And consolidation is a bullish thing, guys. I know it's boring, but it's a bullish thing. People are willing to accumulate the coin at the same price or around the same price for a lengthy period of time, which means after all the coins at that price range are dried up or bought, there's nowhere for the price to go but up. And that's exactly what's happening right now for HBAR. On top of that, we are in a huge bull flag now for HBAR. I mean, look at this flag currently forming right here. So yeah, HBAR is getting ready to rock and roll, guys. On top of that, indicators are kind of confirming it with the MACD heading towards a bullish crossover here after pretty much the middle of December being bearish. So we're still on the bullish side, working towards the bullish crossover. RSI starting to tail back up after a nice V-shaped bottom. I'd be keeping a close eye on this RSI downtrend. We break above that, then the sky's gonna be the limit. And if we break above that, man, then I think that's when we break out of the bull flag here and we start going parabolic. And then we have the WTX, which double bottomed right now. So everything's gearing up for a possible breakout here for HBAR on the day chart. 4-hour time frame. This is what I like to look at for these tight consolidation phases is when is this breakout going to be taking place? You can see we are consolidating within this pennant pattern, the bull flag. And what this means is you can kind of think of it like a spring, guys, like a spring. You squeeze the spring, right? And then when you let go, all that energy goes. That's kind of what's happening here. It's getting squeezed very, very tightly like a spring. And then once you break out, all that energy gets released and it starts going. And normally, whatever direction it enters, it leaves. So we entered from the bottom and it leaves in the same direction that we were going in. So what we're currently experiencing right now in the short term, unfortunately, is a top. On the 4-hour time frame, the MACD is heading toward, losing its bullish momentum. The RSI is topped out, and the WTX is topped out, which to me could confirm that we could be heading back down here for some more consolidation before we see that nuclear run to the upside for HBAR. But nonetheless, HBAR, I believe after this multi-year consolidation phase, is finally going to reap its rewards, this bull run. Short term right now, if this possible breakout, what you normally do is you take the bull run flagpole and then you extend it to the breakout zone. So if we have the breakout zone right here, yeah, that could easily send HBAR up to $1 plus here if we break out of this bull flag, guys. So I'd be gearing up. I'd be gearing up, rocking and rolling. I'll get that hype train going, laundered off those moon suits because day chart's looking bullish here. We're in a bull flag. Obviously, if we draw the longer term fibs, which the longer term fib would be from this high to this low, it's probably be pretty similar. But just for craps and giggles, yeah, that's the moon line right there, boys. 786. We get above 30, 32 to 35 cents, then the rocket boosters are to come in and we're to start rallying. But right now we're in a massive bull flag with indicators flipping bullish on the day chart. So get ready to print some money here on HBAR, guys. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.